for Religious Minority Affairs, Mr. Shahbaz Bhatti, has been taken. He has been declared dead by the doctors inside the hospital. And right now I'm standing in front of his car, which is in front of the emergency of Shifa International. Now, as you can see, this is the minister's official car. It is riddled with bullets. This is from the backside. Even we see that the bullets have pierced the body of the car. Now, moving to a little towards this side of the car, we see the damage that was really done by the offenders and the assailants. Now, as you can see from the sides of the car is riddled with bullets completely. In fact, the side screens have been completely destroyed, and even the front screen has caved in, and shards of glass from the front screen are inside the car. Also, the inside of the car is filled with the blood of the minister, and when he was brought to the hospital, according to the doctors, he was already deceased. Now, several officials have been coming in at the scene at the Shifa International Hospital, including the Prime Minister, Mr. Yusuf Raza Gilani, who refrained from talking to the media. Also, the Interior Minister, Mr. Rahman Malik, was also here to see the situation, and he also left without saying anything. However, the IG Islamabad, Wajid Ali Durrani, he came to the scene and he spoke to the media, and there are several informations going on, and he was asked questions about the investigation and the extent till which it had reached. And according to him, the police were able to confiscate 25 shells from the scene itself, but the doctors inside the hospital say that 8 bullets had pierced the body of Mr. Shahbaz Bhatti. Also, there were rumors about a pamphlet, an anti-blasphemy pamphlet that was left at the spot as a threat to anybody who as a threat by the extremist elements. And according to those reports, that pamphlet said that anybody who speaks against the blasphemy law will be held accountable by these extremists. However, the IG has denied receiving any such evidence, or has denied any information of any such pamphlet. He says that the body of Mr. Bhatti will be shifted to the PIMS hospital for an autopsy, and also the evidence that has been collected from the site has been taken into custody, and the forensics, it will be shifted to the forensic labs where it will be analyzed, and hopefully leads will come about from that. Also, into the background, the IG Wajid Durrani stated that Mr. Shahbaz Bhatti was not with his usual escort. He was given a security escort by the government of Pakistan. However, he declined to use that escort for this occasion. In fact, he was visiting his mother's house, and on his way back from his mother's house, very close to his house in I-8, a white Mehran basically went by his car, and the attack occurred from within that car. And according to the IG, 3 to 4 people were inside that white Mehran, which carried out this attack.